Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some better for you bang bang shrimp skewers. I'm going to start off with 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped green onion. I'm also adding 3 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. 1 tablespoon of sriracha. You can add more or less depending on the spice level that you like. And you can also season to your personal taste with some salt and pepper. I'm omitting salt and pepper from this recipe because it's for my husband's meal prep and he's trying to reduce his salt intake. Okay, then you're going to give that a mix and you're going to go ahead and set this aside for now. And these are the skewers that I'm going to be using for my shrimp. And these are the shrimps that I bought. They're tiny shrimps that are cooked and peeled. I wanted to avoid the cooking and peeling process, but later it's just buy the bigger shrimp. It's not worth you. Oh, I was just really struggling with putting them on the skewers, and there was a lot of shrimp and so many shrimps. Took forever, so I was a bit annoyed at this whole process. So once you have all of your shrimp on the skewers, you're going to go ahead and brush on the sauce. This was just enough for this whole bag of mini tiny shrimp, but I imagine it will be the same. Like, it will, you can use around the same amount for a regular bag of just regular shrimp. But you could just double or triple your ingredients to make more if you need more. And now we're going to bake these at 350 for about 5-10 minutes. It all depends on the size of your shrimps. So there you go. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you guys next video. Bye.